In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact YouTube TV's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up a web browser, and then from here, type in PIS Consumer. We need to head on over to pisconsumer.com. It's a great website to find contact details for different websites or businesses if they don't make it easily readily available. So once you're in pisconsumer.com, you want to click on the search bar and then type in YouTube TV, all one word, and then hit enter. And you'll be brought to YouTube TV's page on PIS Consumer. So from here, what you want to do is scroll down. At the time of recording, it's got close to 8,500 rated reviews. Scroll down, and then we're going to see reviews, Q&A, and contacts tab along here. So go ahead and click on contacts. And now once you've clicked on contacts, you'll see a phone number here. So we've got a toll-free number for advertising inquiries, but what we want is the customer service number. So this one is here. It states here the number is currently not in service. So time of recording, they might change this at a later date. So I'll still say to check out the number and give them a call. Or if you'd rather give them a message, shoot them a message there, clicking on send message. And you've got YouTube TV emails below. So we got customer service, which one you want, and you even got legal and media ones as well.